How to create Reddit account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a video. To start your Reddit journey, first and foremost make sure that you have the application of Reddit. For that, open up your Play Store or App Store if you are using your iOS device. In the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for Reddit and give it a search. Select the application and install the application. Once installed, just go ahead and tap Open. To create a Reddit account, you have two options. That is to continue with Google or continue with email. The most easiest way is to tap on Continue with Google. If you tap on Continue with Google, it will list out all of the Google account that is currently linked to your device. Select to any of the Google account that you want to link with your Reddit. And with a simple click, your Reddit account will be created. So in your Reddit, you can check out the latest posts, memes, videos, and much more. You can create your own community, join the community of your preference. You can edit your profile by tapping on your user icon at the top. Select your My Profile. From here, you can easily edit your post, leave a comment, check out your comment. To edit your bio, just tap on the pencil icon. From here, you can change your display name, you can create a bio, enter a social link, and much more. And that is how you can easily create your Reddit account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try and get started to embrace your journey with Reddit.